Hello YouTube friends, welcome to my channel, the Travel Diary Lalabs edition. This is Rai Rai with my husband travel buddy Alan. We're still here in Belgium, and today we're about to explore more of the city of Brussels and visit the Cathedral of St. Michael and St. Gudula. But before we do that, please don't forget to subscribe. Brussels, officially the Brussels Capital Region, is a region of Belgium comprising 19 municipalities, including the city of Brussels, which is the capital of Belgium. The city of Brussels is the largest municipality and historical center of the Brussels Capital Region, as well as the capital of the Flemish region and Belgium. The city of Brussels is also the administrative center of the European Union, as it hosts a number of principal European institutions in its European quarter.
I'm trying to get back before the Quran that I've been giving in my best. There's nothing gonna stop me but the final generation. Even it's again my turn to win the summer love song that I will no more, no.
Brussels is rich in history, architecture, gastronomy, culture, and so much more. Warm, welcoming, and quirky, Brussels is a bustling city where there's always something going on. For today's itinerary, we're gonna visit the Cathedral of St. Michael and St. Gudula. The Cathedral of St. Michael and St. Gudula, usually shortened to the Cathedral of St. Gudula or St. Gudula by locals, is a medieval Roman Catholic cathedral in central Brussels, Belgium. It is dedicated to St. Michael and St. Gudula, the patron saints of the city of Brussels, and is considered to be one of the finest examples of Brabantine Gothic architecture. This Romanesque church construction began in the 11th century, replacing an earlier chapel, and was largely complete in its current Gothic form by the 16th century, though its interior was frequently modified in the following centuries. The building includes late Gothic and Baroque chapels, while its neo-Gothic decorative elements, including some of its stained glass windows in the aisles, date from restoration work in the 19th century. St. Gudula also stands out for its musical components, notably its two pipe organs and its immense church bells. The complex was designated a historic monument in 1936. church was elevated to cathedral status in year 1962 and has since been the co-cathedral of the Metropolitan Archdiocese of Mechelen, Brussels, together with St. Rumbold's Cathedral in Mechelen. As the national church of Belgium and the primate of Belgium's official seat, it frequently hosts royal weddings, state funerals, and other official ceremonies, such as the Te Deum on Belgium National Day. This cathedral has stained glass windows from the 16th, 17th, and 19th centuries, most of which date from between years 1525 and 1663. A thorough restoration of the cathedral was carried out between years 1983 and November of 1999. Remains of the Romanesque church were discovered, as well as a Romanesque crypt under the choir. The hotel where we stayed is just few minutes away from the cathedral. Therefore, we decided to go back to our hotel to take some rest. But it's not yet the end of our travel exploration, for there's more. I will end my video here and watch out for more travel adventures here in the city of Brussels. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit on that notification bell for more updates. Bye for now. See you on my next travel video.